Hello everyone, it's my first ever unboxing tonight. This is the Moyu WRM V9. If we're going to be more literal about it, it's the Moyu WRM V9 with 20 magnet ball core maglev UV coated version. A whole bunch of words in there. What does it all mean? Well, let's have a look. Well, first up, it's quite a small box. I'm quite happy about that because lately there's been some pretty big Moyu boxes, and just big boxes in general with all sorts of bits and pieces. So what do we got inside? Let's see. The shrink wrap. Everyone loves the shrink wrap. For a knife, likes a nice sharp knife as well. What do we got here? Yeah, love that sound. Quite like the light effects on this box. Yeah, it's got this sort of, yeah, look at that. Oh, that kind of hologram multicolour. Yeah, it's good. Alright, let's open it up. Sounds. Yeah, pretty good. Alright, so we've got the cube, its case, Moyu logo. The case is an unusual one actually. How does this one come up? Oh, here we are. So it's a two-part case, quite simple. Cube's in its nice plastic wrapping. Also not lovely to get out. Yeah. You reckon get the knife out again? Yeah. Slide it up. Look at that gloss. Wow. That's more glossy than the GAN 14. That's about as glossy as I've ever seen a Rubik's Cube. That's beautiful. Yeah. What about the turn? Oh, it's pretty loose. Whoa, it is very loose. Whoa, and there's no lubricant in there whatsoever. Well, that's going to be impressive. That's about the loosest cube I've ever seen. Whoa. Oh, incredible. Yeah, that turns really nicely. All right, what do we got in the accessories? Put it back in the box, shall we? See how it closes up. Click. It's pretty good. Yeah, okay. Much easier now that I've done it a couple of times. Accessory pack. We have drum roll. Some box. Okay, so we've got some marketing from Moyu. Oh, a couple of dudes. Very cool. Kinda. Don't know what those things are. Team Moyu. One of these standard fare CFOP instructions, all the algorithms. Yep. What do you reckon? No. Standard CFOP. Yeah, still just the way to solve the cube. Away. This is new. It's instructions on the new special tool that they've got. 2 languages. Skip to the English. The Moyu Cube Wand User Manual. So they've put all the tools on the one thing. That's new. So let's find this tool. Yeah, and what a tool it is. Metal screwdriver, other plastic bits. So they're all familiar, it's just they're not normally all on the same device. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. It's not too bad, I guess. Them all in the same place. You'll end up with a million of them, won't you? Let's face it, it's not the only cube you get. Alright, what do we got in the instructions? So, the dual adjustment method, you've got the screwdriver to take the screws out. You've got, so this tool I'm not so sure about. There's this, it's like a flathead screwdriver blade made out of plastic that you're supposed to be able to go in and adjust the strength on the magnets and the corner pieces, but I don't think that actually happens. And then there's this other, yeah, some might say gimmicky thing where you can put the cube on your wrist for some reason. I don't know, it's like a Pokemon thing maybe. Gotta say it's pretty lame. I certainly wouldn't be buying anything to do it, but that's just me. What else we got? Nothing. That's it. Should we have a look inside the cube? Make the most of it? Yeah, what do we got here? So pop the centerpiece. How easy is it? Pretty easy. What do we got? Looks much the same, doesn't it? We've got the dual adjustment system here. Should we take it out and see what happens? Yeah, let's do that. All right, so right away you can feel the maglev magnets just holding onto anything metallic. So let's unscrew it and open it up. Hang the screwdrivers. Oh, I think I'm killing the thread, am I? It's not good. Yeah, not the greatest thread then. I don't want to ruin this. I need to get a proper screwdriver. Not sure how I feel about this one. Oh yeah, so it's turning. Yeah, it's turning great now. Alright, here we are. It's out. I'll hold it in so it doesn't fly everywhere. There we go. It's out. There you go. There's the maglev resistance there. So centerpiece is out. Let's look at this. Right. So you can see that the magnets are repelling on the inside. You've got the one magnet just under the screw head there, yeah, and then inside, just in that little cup, you've got another magnet just sitting in there, repelling the top one. Yeah. So there we go. And that the blue cup there for the ratchet adjustment of the play distance, or how hard the tension is. Yeah, it's pretty standard. All right, so we'll leave that one alone. Let's have a look at the inside. There's that ball. Wow, it's big, huge. I don't know if you'd be able to make it out, but see that lighter patch? No. You might be able to make out where the magnets are under the plastic there. What about doing a bit of a demo on that? So what do we got with the top face here? You can see how all the magnets inside there are directed at the ball. So inside the 20 magnet ball, you've got every second magnet is repelling. So there's reverse polarity as you go around the ball, so that if a piece is out of alignment, the magnets are repelling, trying to push you back to where you should be going. And then the ones in the alternate position, so if you're actually in the right spot, then they're attracting. So yeah, it all works together to, let's see what happens if we put it back on top. Click, and then look at that. So you just go halfway, just doesn't want to be there, right? Look at that. It's like, oh, no, do not want. It just wants to go click. So halfway, no, it doesn't like it at all. Halfway does it. It's pushing away. So it just doesn't want to, yep. Yeah, wow. It's pretty impressive. Huh, nothing holding it on, just the magnets. Oh, there it goes. Spoke too soon. Yeah, so there's a magnet for each of those, all attached to the ball. Wow, very cool. All right, everyone. Thank you very much.